Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Luna update for Tuesday 13th of September. Alright, so Luna right now at the moment is trading up. We saw just a very huge sudden green candle to the upside, came down, and it's time that it's actually back testing the 55 EMA. All the technical targets that I told you previously is already met right now. So what is happening at the moment? I do see some reversal candlesticks right now, and it seems like it's interested to make a small pull to the upside, maybe back up to $4.9, right? So that could be my take about it. So let's actually dive into the 1 hour time frame at the moment, and let's see what's going on. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can just get a little bit of a hint regarding all these candlesticks that is going on. So came down, it's moving sideways. There could be an interest of actually moving to the upside and pushing to the upside. Maybe the 15 minutes time frame can be much more clear as it has more candlesticks right now. So there is a little bit of a trend line probably trying to create right now, so that's gonna be like that. We do have something like this one as well. Yeah, so right now it's just pretty much sideways. There's not any clear direction. It can actually even pop to the downside. So let's say if this is a trend line trying to form up right now, and you do come down and lose this trend line, just come down like this a little bit, go to $3.8, back test this level and fail, then there's a good chance that you might continue from here to here. Then you can actually make some bear flag probably right there, and you can actually drop to $3.3 right now, right? So my take is that there could be chances of going back to retest this yellow line right now, but it's still getting rejected at the moment, getting some resistance as well. So let's remove some of these drawings as well. Just need to get more hints as much as possible to know which direction exactly is it going to actually pick up. I haven't even checked the daily, so let's do that very quickly. So that diving into the daily time frame, what exactly do we have right over here? Okay, so just an overextended move to the upside, came down like this. I just want to check the EMAs because, well, this could be the back testing of the EMAs as well. If you actually pretty much hold the EMAs, it's going to move up. What I can say now, there's not enough data for me to even make a clear explanation of what's going to go and happen next, but you do have supports of the EMA. So big stop loss should be placed down at $3.76 something. If you start to go below that, I do reckon it's gonna be back testing $3.1, this 20 EMA right down over here, and there are good chances that you still pull back to $5 maybe if you're actually holding this level of support right now. And that's pretty much it for this Luna update. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.